doubt this is literally one of the most ultimate home games that we'll probably play. Louisiana is shut down. It's on lock.
It feels good to start a movement, man. It's kind of crazy that last year, like you said, it was chopper style and stuff. This year we brought get the gap back.
You know, you've always had to be smart as a quarterback if you wanted to be really, really good.
Everything that we've done up to now is good, but it's not great. And we want to be great, and to finish the season strong with a win is our goal.
For who goal? For who goal? You was angry at the world?
We pride ourselves on proving media wrong. We pride ourselves on proving stats wrong.
As a freshman in high school, I wanted to be on this stage playing this game, and bringing it to Louisiana, playing the game in Louisiana would mean so much to this state.
It's the game that cannot get here fast enough. Welcome inside the Mercedes-Benz Superdome along with the Fox 8 Sports team. Chris Hagan, Garland Gillen, and Sean Vazan. I'm Juan Kincaid. We're about 5 hours, a little bit more than 5 hours away from kicking off this game inside the Dome. Just want to get you guys opening thoughts on it's finally here. 16 days of waiting.
That's right. It was a long wait time from that semifinal Saturday, but look, I think it's the football fans' dream. You've got LSU, who is clearly the top team in the nation. There was no denying that, but Clemson, they've played the role of the underdog a lot of the year. I think against Ohio State, they proved they're not an underdog. So, best two teams in the country finally here in New Orleans.
My teammates. I leaned back on my teammates and they gave me the confidence that I needed. And at the end of the day, we came out here and performed, and shoot, we're national champions now.